part of a busy place kind of going on here.
You didn't talk to them?
We got to do like a Pedro cam here. Where we going, buddy? Yeah. Don't get up. Don't get up. Hello and welcome to Shelby Exotics. Kind of an exciting day. We did a lot. We bought some shit. We did some other stuff. So let's get at it. Look at this shit. Oh, look. I love your splitter, dude.
Yeah, so that's all GT. Those are from MOTORSPORTS. These are real GT4 parts.
And you put the dive planes on.
I made those.
Did you really?
Yeah, I could have bought them, but I just made them.
Oh my.
And then this is a GT4 vent.
Fuck.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the real deal.
Dude.
And then the inside, you can't tell. It's just, but it's cross-plane. You can't really. There's no way to tell, but it's a cross-plane.
Now, what'd you do here with your?
That's just
pressure cooling system?
Yeah,
or?
no, it's just overflow.
Okay.
Radiator overflow. No, that's nothing. It doesn't do anything. It's just for looks.
It just looks cool. That's
yeah,
all.
and then I cut this out so that I could put the
we
battery
removed
way in the
ours.
back.
We relocated it in the trunk.
Oh, I saw that. Yeah, I saw your wires back there.
Dude, you got an IROC too. So you took? Is this an R? Did this start as an R?
This actually started out as a 5.0.
Are you kidding me?
And then he took a complete donor car and just put it together. And then he built it as a street car. Then I bought it from MOTORSPORTS. I turned it into this.
You put the AP Racing. Then what?
Yeah, all the Ford suspension parts.
Okay. So you did
solid billet stuff.
Okay, so good.
With the lowering springs, with the sway bars, all the Cortex.
And you put the 350 exhaust on it, I would imagine.
Yeah, the whole car is basically a 350.
So you even got a TT badge. What the hell? How did you get that?
Dean got it. What is a TT badge anyways?
That's this year, that's 18.
Oh, that's the new one? Okay.
I like Dean. Dean's gonna be my friend. I like your center stack too in the carbon wrap. That's pretty cool.
That's actual carbon fiber, but I wrapped it just because it looks better. My carbon fiber wasn't that great.
So you see, we put the panel back in the.
But my next car, I removed the package tray.
Oh, you did.
I'm gonna remove the package. It's already being.
Okay.
I'm already doing it.
Okay.
Just gonna strip. That's probably.
Yeah, that's all gone on ours, and then we just did the
Oh, did
sheet
you?
metal. And you're supposed to do the sheet metal for some reason in case the.
But I don't have a fuel cell. You don't have a fuel cell, do you?
No, not yet. But we may opt to do that
Yeah.
because we want to end up racing it. God, you put the Continentals and everything on there.
Yeah, those are these slicks were used at Daytona.
Really?
These are Dean's practice set. He'll sell you the set for nothing, for cheap.
Really?
Yeah, I mean the tires. That's why you need 18s. And the advantage of that is these are almost free.
Really?
Really, it's awesome. But they're,
So
they're
what
not
are
the
they? Just
stickiest.
cycle? Are they just cycle?
They're practice set.
Okay, they're practice
They're
set.
scrubs for practice, and they're like, look at these. These have had 6. Look, they've still got a lot of tread.
Oh my God.
I've been out here, but I don't run it hard. Not yet.
Well, I will if you need somebody to do that. God, that's beautiful. I just can't believe. You mind if we put the hood down? I can get a picture of it. Just. Wow.
Maybe what, $5,000 maybe?
So get the hood from Anderson.
Yeah.
Composites.
And then just buy the real GT4 stuff.
That's the real GT4.
Bolt it in, and then you're.
And then this is Anderson too?
So no, this is Core MOTORSPORTS. This is a
Motorsports.
knockoff of a GT4. It's
Okay.
if you buy a GT4, it's $3,000 just for the splitter. He sells it for $2,000.
Holy
this
hell, that's
splitter.
still a lot of money.
Yeah, nothing's cheap. Nothing.
That
These
is cool.
things, these right here, $600 a piece.
And he made this out of Dicor.
Die bond.
Die
Bond.
Bond. Why did I call
You're
it Dicor?
videotaping
Die
it?
Bond. Yes, that's why I want to. I'm
Die
going to
Bond.
send this to Core
Yeah.
Motorsports, dude. I usually like to be the only gig in town. We're never coming back here again.
Don't worry, I don't come out here in public days.
Oh, we're out of here. And he's got a sick Raptor. Look at this.
Yeah, and I have 4 GTs.
You're even proud of your EcoBoost.
I am.
Did you do anything to it?
No, just cold intake from Roush. That's
Got
all.
the leadfoot gray,
Yeah.
which is beautiful because it looks just like your methods,
makes
right?
that color.
You're kidding me.
Yeah.
So we're back here at base camp. It's been a pretty eventful day. We got to see a lot of really good cars. If I had to give feedback on M1 Concourse, I would say that they have an absolutely outstanding facility. It's pretty top-notch. Even the porta potties have Corian countertops in them, which is pretty cool. So I want to be clear, I love Ford products. I've been very excited about the GT350, certainly. Otherwise I wouldn't have bought 3 of them. This one here, and including 2 R's, I have a ruby red one and a black one. If this is your first time stopping by Shelby Exotics, please subscribe. Also, I have an Instagram. It is Shelby_Exotics. If you want to check that out as well. I usually post throughout the day. You can kind of see what I'm up to prior to videos coming out and get a good idea what might be coming up. So anyway, thank you all very much for your support. I am not a whiny baby most of the time. Sometimes, yes, my wife would probably say I'm a little bitch, but that's okay, you know. Little bitches sometimes make the world go round. Let's make America great again, guys. Thank you.